7 mistakes you should never make when eating honey. Whether you love honey for its taste or its health benefits, many people make simple mistakes that can reduce its value or even harm their health. In this video, we'll reveal the top errors to avoid so you can enjoy honey the right way. If you're serious about getting the most out of your honey, stick around. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Like Health and hit the notification bell for more health tips. First mistake: heating honey too much. One of the biggest mistakes people make is heating honey to high temperatures. Whether you're adding it to your hot tea or cooking with it, excessive heat can destroy many of honey's beneficial enzymes and nutrients, leaving you with nothing but sugary syrup. Honey is a natural powerhouse for health, but when it's overheated, you lose its antibacterial properties, antioxidants, and even its natural flavor. To preserve the benefits, always add honey to warm, not boiling liquids. Your body will thank you for it. The second mistake: eating honey on an empty stomach. While honey is packed with nutrients, eating it on an empty stomach can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can lead to an energy crash soon after, leaving you feeling tired instead of energized. Many people think starting the day with honey is a healthy choice, but it's best to pair it with fiber or protein, like in yogurt or on whole grain toast. This helps your body absorb the sugars more slowly, keeping your energy stable and helping you feel full longer. The third mistake: consuming too much honey. It's easy to think that because honey is natural, you can eat as much as you want. But the truth is, honey is still high in sugar, and consuming too much can lead to weight gain and blood sugar issues over time. While honey has many health benefits, moderation is key. Stick to 1 or 2 tablespoons a day to enjoy the benefits without overloading your body with sugar. Remember, even the healthiest foods can be harmful in excess. The fourth mistake: choosing processed honey over raw honey. One of the most common mistakes is buying processed honey instead of raw, unfiltered honey. Processed honey often goes through filtration and pasteurization, stripping away many of the natural enzymes, antioxidants, and nutrients that make honey so beneficial. What you're left with is a less potent, sugary product that doesn't offer the same health perks. Always opt for raw organic honey. It's packed with natural goodness and is far better for your health. The fifth mistake: storing honey improperly. Storing honey the wrong way can actually spoil its quality over time. Many people store honey in the fridge, thinking it will stay fresh longer, but this causes it to crystallize faster and become hard to use. Honey is best kept in a cool, dry place at room temperature. When stored properly, honey can last indefinitely without losing its flavor or benefits. So, keep it in the pantry, not the fridge. The sixth mistake: feeding honey to infants. One serious mistake is giving honey to infants under 1 year old. Honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which can lead to infant botulism, a rare but potentially dangerous condition. Babies' immune systems aren't developed enough to handle these spores, even though honey is safe for older children and adults. So, while honey is a fantastic natural sweetener for many, it's important to wait until your child is at least 1 year old before introducing it. The seventh mistake: ignoring honey's expiration date. Many people overlook the expiration date on honey, assuming it lasts forever. While honey does have a long shelf life, it's still important to check the date. Over time, honey can undergo changes in color and flavor, and if it has been stored improperly, it might degrade in quality. Using honey past its expiration date could mean you're not getting the full benefits. Always check the label and use honey within its recommended time frame for the best results. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Like channel to receive all new updates.